Welcome back, Pokemon trainers. You know what we're doing today. You guessed it. We are back at the park for some more Pokemon habitat cleaning. And just in case you guys were all wondering where we at, I live up here in Thornton. There we go, Thornton. We are right here. Last time we were up here off of 88th, right there, 88th Avenue, open space. We just came a few blocks down. Let's see how clean it is over here. Not even 10 seconds from the parking lot. All up in here. Look at this. Just hanging out under the bridge, you know. Sure, there's a nice rock to sit at, but do you have to like throw all your trash? I'm gonna get that on the way back because we're going this way. Wow. Surprisingly, that whole pathway, there's like nothing, guys. Like, look at this. Look how amazing this is. I don't see not one piece of trash. You guys, this is awesome. This is great. But let's turn back around because we have access to the water here, and you know how water likes to gather stuff. So let's go take a look. Yep, we made it down here, and look, it's in there, just as I suspected. Water will carry anything and everything, so it's very important that you hold on to what you bring out on your daily adventures. Look at all this riddled up in there. This is like a nice little trash trap. Catches all the trash right here. Nice, all right. Looks like we got our work cut out for us. Let's clean it up. You guys, if you are going to come out here and clean, please be careful. Look at all these shards of glass. You definitely want to be careful when you're out here. Well, I guess my phone overheated. I lost a little bit of time-lapse footage, but you can check out everything that we've done all up in through here. Look how much better this is. It is so hot today, literally like maybe 100 degrees right now, and being over here by the water, it is deadly hot outside. But look at this. This was riddled with trash. I have the heaviest trash bag I think I ever created. I know I didn't get it all. There's a lot of little stuff stuck in the ground, and I tried and just kept breaking into smaller stuff. There's only so much I could do. But back here's a nightmare. I don't know if this is just the good catch or whatever, but this is right where the time lapse cut out. So let's take a break, let my phone cool down a little bit, find a nice spot in the shade, open some Pokemon cards. Almost forgot to show you guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's about to rip the bag. That's how heavy it is. That is not okay. Not okay. That was a quick change of events. If you look over that way, looks like it might start downpouring on us. That's a nasty dark cloud. I heard thunder. Let's just get to opening some Pokemon cards, everybody. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. We got a 3-pack with the awesome Blastoise pin and a 4th Evolutions pack to open up. We kind of got to hurry. That storm is rolling in quickly, but we'll save the single for last and we'll open up with this 3-pack. Let's see what goodies come inside. All right, got 1 pack there. Take this off, look at that. Look how convenient that trash bag is. Awesome. Where are we gonna put that pin, guys? We'll decide here in a second. Set that down there. Let's save the 2 Evolutions for last. We'll start off with Steam Siege. See what Pokemons want to join us in our cleaning adventure. We got a code card. 1, 2, 3. And we got a Skiploom, a Fletchlander, Azumarill, a Hoppip, a Litwick, a Mareep, Krogonok, Tangela hanging out from the tree just right over there. You guys see him? You guys see him hanging out? For the reverse, a Mareep. That's an awesome pull. Is that different artwork? I don't know, it's too far away. I can't see. That is a really cool card. Nice. Look, they got like a whole farm of them. That's cool. And for the rare card, we got a Jumpluff hanging out at the beach, non-holographic. Alrighty guys. Evolutions, we're gonna save Raichu. No, we should save the Blastoise because it's a Blastoise pin, right? Blastoise pin, Blastoise plastic. That's what we'll do. I think I hear raindrops. That is not okay. Alright. We got a code card. 1, 2, 3. Venusaur Spirit Link. A full heal. Machoke. Ponyta. Nidoran. Machop. Growlithe. Pikachu. Nice. Oh, dude, check that out. Reverse Hollow Leaf Energy. Now that is fitting for today's episode. You guys leave a like right now because the shiny leaf wanted to join the nice clean area. And for the rare card, we got a Beedrill non-holographic. You know what? I'm gonna sleeve this one up right now. I have my sleeves. Yes. I do not want this guy to get dirty or scratched. Nice, check that out. That is awesome green color. All right, Blastoise pack to go with the Blastoise pin. Nice. We're gonna pull the Blastoise right now, everybody. What are the odds we're gonna get a Blastoise? Let's see here. Code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Here comes Team Rocket, the secret rare. Very good pull. We got a Revive, a Coughing, Diglett, Voltorb, Machop, Growlithe, Energy. Is that one reverse? No. We got a reverse hollow Growlithe and an Electrode non-holographic. All right, hopping into the last one, Venusaur. Venusaur before the rain comes trashing all of these awesome Pokemon cards. Oh, I missed that one. Here we go. Blastoise on the plastic, that's fitting. All right, last pack. Can we get some last pack magic? There's a code card. 1, 2, 3. 3 to the front. Coughing, Kahuna, Charmeleon, Diglett, Caterpie, A Poliwag, nice. That was one of my favorite cards as a kid. Pikachu, Ponyta. A reverse holo Raticate. That's probably the first time I'm excited to get a Raticate, guys. Oh guys, do you see that right there? Leave a like right now for the hype in this pack, last pack magic, cleaning here at the Platte River. For the rare card, we have ourselves, what? A Mega Blastoise. Nice, it matches perfectly with the pin. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome, let me get this sleeved up. Oh man, how awesome is that? This is like the third Blastoise we pulled out of Evolutions. Can't get the Charizard, but we can get the Blastoise. Nice. You know what, I'm gonna sleeve up that Raticate because it is a rare. And you know how I feel about my rares. Come here, Mr. Raticate. And it has a nice shiny white to it. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look at these. Very, very nice. You guys, it's coming. I felt a raindrop. I felt a raindrop. No. All right, guys, let's get through this recap really quick before I ruin my cards. We got 2 non-holographics, a Beedrill and a Jumpluff. We got ourselves a Growlithe reverse holo, Mareep reverse holo with awesome, awesome oil painting artwork. We got ourselves a reverse holo Energy. So fitting for today's episode, so fitting. We got a secret trainer card. Here comes Team Rocket. Nice, 113 out of 108. And the best Raticate anyone could pull, a reverse holo. And here we go. Blastoise EX, the Mega, full art. Oh man, such a good card. You can never, never, never have too many Blastoise in your life. Speaking of Blastoise, we gotta find him a home now, guys. We gotta find him a home. Where's he gonna go? Is he gonna sneak up on? No sneak attack. But he has to go on this side because he's facing this way. All right, maybe we will do a sneak attack. We'll put him right here, and he'll be creeping up behind Charizard, getting ready to blast him with this Hydro Pump. Very well, very well. Looks like we got something else to do when we come back. A day where it's not raining outside, but I'm a man of my word, and I said I was gonna clean that area on the way back, so let's do it. Was that so hard? Just to put your stuff into a trash bag when you're done with it. You know, here is, as humans, all we have is our word. If you don't do what you say you're gonna do, you're useless. So, if you say you're gonna do something, make sure you keep it. I'd say that was a successful day cleaning up the Platte. Yeah, I got called on account of rain. It's about to start. It kind of started, kind of stopped. But look at that. Look at that nastiness. Look at that nastiness. I really hope you guys enjoyed what I did here today. If you did, make sure you leave a like. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be cleaning up a lot more Poké habitats, and I want you guys to join me with it. So remember, guys, until next time, if you stay positive, positive things will happen.